Effectively, what a pool of errors is, it's a live representation of cumulative effect of errors associated with a positional fix. So what it's measured from is your last known fix. So for example, if you had a GPS fix or conducted a visual fix, that would be your effectively your datum for your navigation picture, and then the your estimated position is the cumulative effect of your course and speed based upon the set and drift that's been observed or indeed observed within the area of operations you're currently situated in. Now, where the pool of errors comes into effect is that an estimated position it can be considered a coordinate. It's a latitude and a longitude. However, the longer you're deep, the more error is associated with your position because of all these external factors. So the four errors that you go into a pool of errors are fix error, which is a standard either 200 or 500 yard error. The next is gyro. So for your course alterations, takes into consideration a plus or minus 1 degree of deviation. Log error, which is a plus or minus 5%, so based upon your speed. And then the next is a set and drift error, so a set error, and that's based upon any expected or predicted changes that could be coming into effect based upon the current sea conditions. So as your set and drift would change, then obviously there's going to have a cumulative effect on the errors that are observed within the pool of errors. Traditionally, how it was done on paper charts was using tracing paper overlays. So you would effectively measure off this distance traveled, and there would be a bearing fan that you'd be able to then measure your 1 degree gyro error, and then you'd apply it over. So as you could expect, and it was all dependent upon the scale of the chart you're operating of course, because if you somehow needed to change charts halfway through a deep transit, you would then need to have another pool of errors drawn up at a different scale, so the correct scale of chart that you're operating on.